Hey guys, Alan here from Gods of Wall Street. Quick review video on the Gods of Wall Street Fractal time zone. The Gods of Wall Street Fractal time zone is the newest and the baddest robot of them all. So backtest stats 2020 June till date 28th July 2021. Over a year's period. Okay, expert properties. The only thing we need to know is that the initial balance will be 2000 US dollars on this backtest. Okay, with that said, I think we can start the backtest. This is the baddest of all the robots, guys, from Gods of Wall Street. Okay, let me pause that. Let's just change the color code, black on white. Let's remove the grid. Let's show the period separators. We show the ask line and we use the candlesticks. Okay, now we can play. Okay, so the backtest is now running. This robot, for those of you who've been with me from day one, you know this robot which trades the first candlestick of the day on US 30. We trade the first candlestick of the day on US 30. Okay, so we've already taken the first trade. That's a first trade there. That's a trade. So this guy trades the first candlestick of the day. We trade at market open in shorts. That's a second trade. We retired this robot, I think, 2 months ago. Those of you who've been with me from day one, you know this robot. You know this robot which trades at 0101 brokers time. This one trades at market open. Okay, quick trade there, guys. We're making 28 per trade. The same lot size as the other review videos I showed you. The current robot you guys are using is making on the lot size of 1, it's making $8, but this one, the current robot you're using, it's making $7.9, and then the other one I showed you earlier this week was making 17, but this one is making $28 per trade on a lot size of 1. That lot size is for you guys with big, it's for those of you guys with big account balances, but for some who have small account balances, you'll be advised the lot size to use. Okay, so quick trades, as you can see, we have some days where we have huge drawdowns. That's why we are using good risk management, guys. We are using good risk management because on some days the market will just be going against us for some time before it hits take profit. That's why we're using good risk management. We are not going full margin on these trades. We are making 28 per trade, even though with a balance we could make more if we just use the large lot size. We could make more on these trades if we used a large lot size, because 2000 US dollars is quite a lot. We could make more, but then we are using small lot size because of the days we have huge drawdowns, as you see from this backtest. So this is the baddest of them all, guys. It's the baddest. It's making 3 times more money than the current robot you are using. It's making 3 times more. instant trades, others will be drawdowns, others will take days. Like this trade here, as you can see there, we didn't take a trade there because we are still in a trade. My robot only trades one trade at a time, so there's an open trade, that's why there are no trades there, as you can see. Okay, so we've hit take profit there. So the next session changeover, a trade has executed, as you can see. Okay, this is the baddest of them all, guys. It makes 3 times more because the take profit is 3 times bigger than the other robots. This one makes 3 times more. Okay, so that's the balance line there, guys. If I fold it up like that, the backtest moves fast. I don't want this video to be over an hour, so we'll be folding the charts like that so that it moves faster, so that the backtest runs fast. Because if we're watching the charts, we're watching each trade which goes by, this backtest can take even an hour. That's the progress there. That's the progress there. We are trading the 1 minute charts. Those are the trades. Those are the trades. That's the balance line there. The initial balance was 2000. Okay, trades are coming in. Okay, so for some reason FX Pro is not offering. Okay, so we are using a standard lot of 1, but then for some reason FX Pro is not giving us data between September and November. So as you will see, once we reach 1st of September, it will skip to end of November. I don't know why is that. Okay, so that was a good trade there. So not all trades will be instant. Not all trades will take 5 minutes to close. Not all trades will take an hour to close. Others will be closing in the afternoon. Others will close after 2 days. This you should know. Others will close maybe after several days. So this backtest is to prepare you psychologically, even as you'll be using this robot. Okay, so August 31st. So you see when we reach September, it will skip to end of November. Okay, right there. Let me pause. Okay, so let's go back. As you can see, from 1st August there, 31st August there, 1st September, and then we skip to November 30th. So there's like September, October, and November. That data we don't have. We don't have the backtest history on this broker, and this is one of the best brokers which gives at least quite a large sample size in terms of 1 minute trading history. Other brokers will only give you 3 weeks of trading history, but this one, FX Pro, it goes up to last year June, which is quite remarkable. Okay, so we started with 2000 there. We are up almost 4k. We are up almost 4k there. We are up almost 4k. No loss. You can see the results there. The report not yet generated. Okay, results are coming in. Backtest is running, guys. So for those of you with small accounts, you use small lot sizes. Guys with $2,000 in their accounts, they'll use such lot sizes like this one. Okay, so we are now in December 31st December. We are in a trade. I can see trades are not coming in. It's because we're in a trade. That's a trade there. We entered a trade there 24th December. It took many days. This one took many days. It closed there, so we have a trade there. Okay, 5th Jan, 6th January. So this is a robot, guys. It's plug and play, 100% hands free. You don't have to know anything about trading for the robot to do this. You don't have to know anything about trading. The only thing you have to know is the risks involved in trading, because trading is dangerous. Even though we can go 100 trades without a loss, but that doesn't remove the risks involved in trading. Okay, so those are instant trades, guys. There will be days like that whereby you're waking up in the morning and you've already hit take profits, so you are paid while you are asleep. Okay, so as you can see, this is a back test. It's in fast forward. Okay, nice trades there. This is the ultimate, guys. Let me not say ultimate, because we are still improving on this. But this is the baddest from Gods of Wall Street currently. This is the baddest robot we have currently. Okay, so we are in a trade. That's why we didn't take a trade there. So okay, so take profit has been hit there, so the next trade will execute. Okay, this is the baddest, guys, from Gods of Wall Street. But we are still improving. We wake up every day not to trade. Some of us we wake up every day thinking of how to improve the system. The system trades on our behalf. I don't even think of trading most of the time. I wake up with the agenda to make the system better every day. Not waking up to trade, no. What's on my mind when I wake up is to improve the system, make it better. That's why just 2 days ago I was telling you about something with okay, so the fractal time zone, guys, simply it simply shows the name simply reflects the model we are using, guys, the fractal time zone. Since this robot only trades at a specific time, it won't trade at 12, the following day trades at 2 p.m, the other day trades at 10 a.m. It only trades at a specific time. Okay, so we are improving every day, guys. That's why 2 days ago I told you we have something with double the take profits, and then today I'm telling you we have something with triple the take profits. We are constantly improving, testing different ideas. Okay, we are up 5k, 5.5, 5.4k. We are constantly improving, guys. We are constantly improving the system. That's our full-time job, research and development of trading softwares. That's my full-time job. Okay, that's the progress there. That's my full-time job, not trading. The systems trade for me. My job is to service and improve the system. That's my full-time job, not to trade. Anyone can do this, guys. Anyone can do this. Even a 5-year-old if they bought a robot, they plug it in on their account, they can have the same consistency as me. That's just a fact, guys. You don't have to know anything about trading for a robot to do this. Okay, so trades are coming in. Trades are coming in. Our job is to improve the system. And as I said in the last video, guys, we don't know when the loss will come. When a robot is consistent like this, it doesn't mean it's bulletproof. We don't know when we will hit stop loss. So as I said earlier on in the video, that's why we're using proper risk management. On a $2,000 account, we can be making, if we wanted, we can be making $100 a day. It's possible for this robot to make $100 a day on a $2,000 account. But then, if we go into drawdown, check the balance line, guys. Check the balance line, up 6K. If we go into drawdown, things would be bad. Check the balance line. Consistency, that's my number one. That's my number one on the agenda. Consistency, it's the number one on the agenda, guys. Not the big money. The big money will sort itself out, because in real time could have made more money than that 6K you are seeing there, because in real time we could have been increasing the lot size. But as I explained in the other videos, on a backtest like this, you cannot increase the lot size. It's not possible to increase the lot size unless if we encrypted it. If we encrypted a system whereby the lot size should increase on its own with increasing balance, but we haven't set up a system like that as yet. We are still improving, guys. We are still improving. 168 trades. Okay, 10th 11th June, there was no trade there. It means we are in a trade. And it's currently in drawdown for many days. Okay, so the trade was entered there, guys. See why we are not using crazy lot sizes. The trade was entered there, and then the market just shot up. It couldn't come down. The market just shot up for many days, and that's the reason why we are not encouraging people to subscribe for 1 month. What if 16 days for 16 days we are in a trade which is not closing yet? What do? You lose out. That's why we are winning long term. So there are no trades, as you can see, because currently we are in a trade. So there are no trades there. You could have missed out on those trades, and then you've only subscribed for a month. Subscribing for a month, okay, so it closed there. That's why we have the next trade there. Okay, so subscribing for a month is for guys with big accounts, whereby they can make up the money for subscription maybe in 2 trades or 3 trades or 4 trades. But for guys with small accounts, what you need is the 3 months, 90 days. You need 3 months of trading so that you can make up the money for subscription and you can make profits on top of that. 1 month is for guys with big accounts. That's why if you see the subscription plans, they favor the 3 months compared to the 1 month. 1 month is $40, 2 months is $60. So if you pay 40 this month, and the next month, the second month, you also pay 40, you would have paid 80. So if someone paid 2 months straight, they will pay 60. Okay, quick trade there. So for 3 months, if you are paying $40, $40, you would have paid $120. So if you pay a once-off fee for 3 months, it's $80. You could have saved $40. So that's to encourage people to pay for 3 months and 2 months. 1 month is for guys with big accounts. Okay, 6th July, 7th July there. 7th July there. This is the best system, guys. This is the best system, guys, from Gods of Wall Street. It's the baddest amongst our robots. We keep improving. That's why we retire robots. The NAS 100 robot we've just retired today hasn't even made the loss, but we've retired it. It's because we're improving, guys. We're improving. We don't want to stay in our comfort zones. Continuing to trade the Nasdaq robot, even though it hasn't made a loss and all that. The main and important thing is to improve every day. Whether the system makes a loss or not, we keep on improving. That's why we're improving these systems every day. Whether loss or no loss, we improve. We retired this system which trades at midnight, market open. We retired it and it never made the loss. But then we've brought it back, changed the take profit, we matched the stop loss with the current robots, and boom, here we are. Here we are, guys. No loss from June 2020 to July 2021. And you'll be trading like this, hands free. Of course, for newbies, the market won't be fast like this. It's in fast forward because it's a back test, but the robot will be trading like this. Okay, so there will be drawdowns like that. As you can see, there will be drawdowns, but then we are not trading with fear. We know what the market will do. We can go into drawdown for 2 days, we can go into drawdown for 3 days, we can go into drawdown for a few hours, but what we know is that the market will bounce back. Okay, backtest is done there, 27th July. The backtest is done. Those are the trades. Those are the trades there. Okay, so from June 10th, even though we put June 1st, but the history could only save us from 10th. So that's June, July there. That's August there, if you're seeing the dates there. And then that's December, January, February there, March, April there. That's April if you're seeing the dates. May, June there. Okay, that's a trade we held for many days, so we were charged swap. So when the trade closed, since we were charged a lot of swap, it closed into negative. Brokers charge if you hold a day, if you hold a trade for more than a day. The more days you hold, the more money you pay. So on that trade, we held it for many days and they charged us a lot. So that's why it's saying negative 26. I'll show it to you just now. Let's see if we can go back, check out the trades. So those are the trades. If I can just go back. Okay, because Some of you might say, I know he folded the charts up so we couldn't see some trades and all that. So let's just see if we can try to run through, but won't run through up to June. Okay, so that's a trade there. So we'll be checking the days on these period separators, the day separators. So day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19 days of holding this trade. 19 days. That's why we had no trades there, as you can see. That's why I was saying we are not encouraging people to subscribe for a few days. Okay, so that trades there, because what if we hold a trade for 10 days? You won't make up for the subscription fee, especially if you're using a small account. Okay, so that's a balance line there. That's a balance line there. Let's see the reports. This is what's important now. The initial balance was 2000. The initial balance was 2000. Total net profit was 5,417.94. This robot has made more money from June last year up to this year, July. It's made more money compared to the other two robots we backtested the other day and some time back. It has made more money, and those robots traded from 2019 January. Okay, so profit factor there, absolute drawdown there, total trades 197, short positions 123, 99.19, long positions 174, 100%. So we won all buys, and the other one was just swap. It wasn't a loss. Okay, largest trade, minimum consecutive trades or maximum consecutive trades, consecutive profits 4,632. Okay, maximum consecutive profits there. Average consecutive wins, okay, so you can see there, you can see all those consecutive losses. In fact, that loss was just swap, it wasn't a loss. Relative drawdown 22%, long positions 74, expected payoff 27, gross profits 54444. So take a screenshot of those details, you can study them. This is a report, guys. This is a robot. It's up to you now, guys. It's up to you. It's up to you whether you like what you see or you don't like what you see. So the video ends here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and like and comment. Share your thoughts on the comment section, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.